Hello guys! Today we're out driving this fantastic Jaguar Mark X. The car is from 1966, came from America. As you can see, it's got slightly different headlights from the European model. It's a car in opal scent green with a suede green leather interior. Looks amazing in the sunlight, and we're lucky today. It's the beginning of March and we have a beautiful sunny day. I am myself really excited about this car because it's a super original car. It has 2 owners in America and 1 owner here in Sweden. So let me show you around the inside that is completely original. Have a look at this amazing original leather, and you have these super cool little tray tables in the back. Proper limousine. It's even got a green headliner, which I think is super cool. And these early Jaguars have all of these super cool flip switches. Lots of dials and really nice wood interior. It even has power windows. I just love finding old little notes and things that comes along with classic cars. Like, I think this is super cool. Record of car repairs on the Jaguar. Down here in July 1976, you can see install new mufflers. Pretty cool. Gonna have a look under the hood. As you can see here, it looks super nice and clean, and it's all been refurbished. This is the 4.2 liter unit, which is pretty much identical to the ones that were in Jaguar E-Type cars at the same time. A lot of things have been done to the mechanical side on this car. I would say pretty much everything has been done. It has an upgraded starter. The brakes have been completely revised. The entire front end and rear end has been down from the car, all fitted with new bushings and joints everywhere. The cooling system have been revised. And yeah, there's so many things. The car really is a gem to drive. Probably the best thing with the car today is that it has a 4-speed automatic gearbox, which really makes a difference driving it. It's a really nice cruiser, and that gearbox came from the XJ40. The car has on the outside a little bit of a patina, not much. We believe that it's the first paintwork on the car, and the chrome details are absolutely spectacular. Closes like a safe. So we're coming out of this little village now, and I can increase the speed a little bit, and I want to show you this 4-speed gearbox that comes out of an XJ40, which is a complete game changer for this car. This is a quite powerful car for being from 1966, and so the engine is really strong and can handle this gearbox with no problem. And as you can see now, we're up to 90, 100 kilometers, and there was the last gear, and we're cruising at 2000 RPM. pretty good. Keeps the fuel consumption down, and if you want to go out on the highway, cruise along in 110, 120, it can go forever. It's really nice. The Jaguar was a really comfortable car. It's got really nice seats. You got lots of space in here with the big sofa up front. The steering wheel is adjustable. You go up and down. You have easy access here to all the 4 power windows. You got 2 fuel tanks, one on the left side and one on the right, and you can flip in between them here, just like this. So when you run out on one, you can just switch over to the other. Otherwise, it's pretty basic. Fan, interior light, and so on. Here, this one opens up the air scoop up front and gives you fresh air through the cabin. It's getting hot during the summer. Even though this car looks pretty, and it is pretty big from the outside, the seating position is really forward, so you have most of the car behind you. For that reason, it just doesn't feel very big at all. So that sums it up for the Jaguar, and if you like this video, please click like. We appreciate that very much. It keeps our videos coming up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot. Take care now.